girl Tiara, aka Heavenlyerra, and I am back with another video. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers. Your girl is almost at 1K, and I am ready, baby. Okay. So lame. But yes, thank y'all so much for subscribing. Like, thank y'all. Y'all really rocking with your girl. And I want to say thank you to those who have already been subscribed for a while now. I appreciate y'all too. Thank y'all so much. So today I just went to Apple and I purchased me an iMac. I wanted an iMac so badly, y'all, for a long time. I don't think y'all know yet because I really didn't come out and tell y'all like on YouTube. But I launched a new business. It's my editing business called HEAVENLYERRA EDITS. And since then, I told myself that I was going to reach a goal. I was going to grind or whatever. And when I reach my goal, I'll see where my money at and my funds. And I'll purchase my iMac. But guess what? Your girl reached her goal. Things feel so much better when you actually work hard for it yourself. And you actually do the groundwork and you make it happen. With the help of the Lord, of course, God. Like, God was looking out for me. Like, seriously, he always look out for me. That's a no-brainer. But y'all, it feels so much better when things are not handed to you. Like, you really work hard for it. So that's why I'm so freaking hyped, because I work hard for this, y'all. I work hard for it. Alright, so before I got this one, I had this old MacBook right here. This is the MacBook Pro. Well, as you know, technology advances and older models aren't able to hold, you know, a large capacity of everything that comes with the upgrades and all that other stuff. So this one started running slow. And I think this is like the MacBook 2010. And this was the MacBook Pro. This was my first ever Mac product. And ever since I had this, fell in love. But it was just going too slow for me. Every time I tried to edit and do all that, it was just too much. The only reason why I'm really still keeping this is because it has this right here so I can still watch my DVDs. I wanted to keep this as a backup when I purchased my new baby. And this is the MacBook Air. This is the 2019 MacBook Air. I had this one for, I think about 2 years? Yeah, like 2 years. And this is my new baby here. Absolutely love this MacBook Air. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. This is it. Like, if you don't want to get the desktop, I recommend you get the MacBook Air. This one is so nice. I really do love my MacBook Air, and I'm going to keep this because obviously I cannot take my desktop everywhere with me. So this is like the perfect laptop for me. And I don't have any complaints with this. It's just like right now, like with my business growing and I have so much other things that I'm trying to do on this laptop, I need more space. The desktop is a bigger screen and all that, but I feel like I deserve it, and I feel like I'm at a point where it's time for me to upgrade, period. So I'm definitely keeping my baby. Definitely keeping this. Now let's get to my new baby. Hey. All right, baby. I am so freaking hyped. And then Apple gave me free AirPods with my order. So even though I already have AirPods, I was thinking about giving these to my mom, but she don't really care about stuff like this, so I'm just gonna keep them in case I lose mine. I had mine for a while and I never lost them, but you know, you never know. So I'm gonna keep these as a backup. And I was so hyped when they gave it. That saved me a little $160. Yeah, this is the iMac right here that I purchased. Ooh, spin. Ooh, spin. I'm just so freaking hyped, y'all. Like, seriously. So this is the box that came in. All right, I'm still a little short. Okay, whatever. All right. So this is a 21.5-inch iMac with Retina 4K display. They have 3 different options. You know how you go on the website and you compare which one you want. They have 3 different ones. I have the second one. It says 21.5-inch diagonal, 16 by 9 widescreen LED backlit Retina 4K display, 4096 by 2304 pixels, ambient light sensor. It is a 3.6 GHz quad-core Intel Core i3 with 6 MB shared. I don't know what all this stuff means, so bear with me. It has 8 gigs of memory, It has a 1 terabyte hard drive, which is so freaking awesome. So freaking awesome. 1 terabyte will take you a long way, trust me. Radeon Pro 555X with 2 gigabytes of VRAM, whatever that is. FaceTime HD camera, 2 Thunderbolt, 3 USB-C ports, support for high speed and video out, SD-XC card slot with 4 USB-A ports, and it says 10 by 100 by 1000 base T Ethernet, whichever, I don't know what that means. And it's a built-in stereo speakers, microphone, head, and it has a headphone jack, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, Apple Magic keyboard and Apple Magic mouse, 2 pre-installed Mac OS, and it said it meets Energy Star requirements. I'm gonna open it up and see what we have here. Am I missing something here? Hold up. Here's my keyboard. Where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? Okay, y'all gotta forgive me sometimes because I'm pretty sure this dang on mouse is in here. Wait, whatever. Just don't pay me no attention. 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 Look at this. It's definitely in here. I'm about to call Apple like, where's my mouse? Ooh. So yes, this is the screen. Oh, this looks so beautiful. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can get a better view. I just opened the box and pulled out my keyboard. This is my mouse. Oh my god, click, click, click. See what else is in here. A USB cord. Oh. For the screen duster, some information. I'm so in love, so in love. Oh, imagine me editing on here, like, yes. I want to set this up over here and make sure everything's all, you know, together. And I'll film it so I can show y'all how it looks over there. So this is how it looks over here. I'm gonna definitely have to get me a new chair because that's not gonna work. And put that right there. But this is so freaking, I am so freaking hype, y'all. So hype. Alright y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video. I hope that you all celebrate with me with my success. Y'all, this is not me bragging. This is not me doing any of that. This is just me simply being happy for myself and happy that I actually accomplished my goal. When I tell y'all, y'all can do anything, y'all can have anything, like, I'm a living witness, y'all. Like, I am just, I am so freaking thankful. If it's something that y'all want, work hard for it. Don't sit there and think that you're gonna get handouts or anything like that. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be stressful. It's gonna be all those things. But you have to just continue to work. Like, continue to work and everything will pay off. You gotta sacrifice. You gotta do the work. You gotta pray. You gotta do all it. Like, seriously. Also, if you want to learn more about my editing business, Heavenly Era Edits, you can find me on Instagram at Heavenly Era Edits. I'll put the link down below so you have to check me out. I do YouTube intros, I do business ads and promos, I do animated flyers, I do websites, and if you just need your videos edited, I'll do that too. I have free consultations on my website, www.heavenlyerra.com. Go ahead and check me out, and if you want to book me, go ahead and book your girl. Go ahead and book your girl. So this was it for this video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are, thank y'all so much. I really appreciate y'all. I'm almost at 1K. I'm almost at 1K. I'm almost at 1K. Y'all stay tuned, and you'll see me. I'll see you in my next video.